Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at what Maniology sent me and do some winter and holiday nail art. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. Okay, let's open this box up. So in this box, Maniology sent me the Nordic Noel Stamping Kit. This is a starter kit, and I got to choose 2 plates. So I'm going to show you what 2 plates that I chose, and I got to choose 4 colors to stamp with. So the stamping plates were the inspiration for the colors that I chose, and I chose some Christmas colors and a nice tan color. So the first item we're going to look at is the starter kit, the Nordic Noel, and this comes with the stamping plate M644, which is a lot of really fun Christmas designs. So you've got some single images, and then you've got images that can fit on the whole nail. And this starter kit comes with an instruction booklet that shows you some troubleshooting tips and steps of how to stamp. It comes with a scraper with some holly and bows on it. I love these scrapers, and the cubed stamper. Now this stamper, these are my favorite stampers to stamp with. I like the rectangle shape because it fits the whole nail, and I find that I grab this shape more than the rounded stampers or even the bigger stampers. And I love how magnifying the silicone stamper part is. It also comes with a 5 ml of Candy Apple B456 stamping polish and a 5 ml of the smudge-free top coat. Now I have Candy Apple, so I'm probably going to use that in this video. I have the full-size bottle, and it's probably my go-to red for Christmas time. And here's a closer look of the stamping plate that comes in this kit. Some really fun single images and bigger full-size images that can fit over a whole nail. The other plate I chose is called Ice Garden M637. Of course, I chose this one because of the greenery French designs. And then you have 6 images that you can fit over a whole nail. And the last plate I chose is called Life of Luxury M649. I am so excited for this plate. I wanted this one strictly for the Louis Vuitton designs. I've always wanted to do a Louis Vuitton nail, and I'm really excited to try this one out to see how well it works. And I chose this perfect trio set because of the Christmas colors. So we have Jack B361, and this is like a bronzy rose gold metallic shimmer. Great for Christmas time. And then the next color I chose was Shaka Santa, which is this beautiful Christmas red with reflective glitter inside. This one surprised me. This one is so pretty. And this is the comparison to Candy Apple that I have. And the last color in the trio is Tutu Mele, if I'm pronouncing that right, B412. And this is a shimmery Grinch green. And I'm seeing some gold flecks of glitter in this one. And I got some help with choosing this color. I wanted a beige color for the Louis Vuitton design, and they suggested Latte B331. So this is the color palette I'm going to use for the Nordic Noel stamping plate. I'm using Candy Apple Red and Bam White, and I put a gel top coat over top because I like to stamp over top of a cured no wipe top coat. And for my first design, I'm using Candy Apple stamping polish and placing it on the nail, and I didn't realize how big my nail tips were. So with a leftover image on my stamper, I'm just going to fill in the spots that I missed. And the next design I'm going to stamp with Jack B361 just to see how that transfers onto a red, which looks pretty good. And the next design, I'm going to use the green B412 Tutu Mele, and I think I'm going to do some red on this design as well. And after my designs have dried, I'm going in with a smudge-free top coat, and I will let that dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. I found the stamping polishes were very easy to work with. I needed to work fast, but not too fast. The transfer was really easy, and I find that it is easy when I'm stamping on top of a cured gel product. And I just wanted to see what these colors and the stamping plate could do. I didn't really have a plan for this design. So this is my color palette for my next set of nails, and this is gel polish, so it's cured with a no wipe top coat, and I'm going to use the plate Ice Garden M637. And this green that I'm using I got in a starter kit from last year, and unfortunately I don't know what the name of it is, and I'm just going to let you watch what I do for this set of nails. So this stamping plate, and again I used the same polishes, worked really well. The stamping was effortless. However, I don't quite like the design I did on the 2 full nails. Now, if I had a plan, I probably could have executed this a little bit better. Okay, let's move on to the next plate, the Life of Luxury plate. This is my color palette. I'm using French Roast and Hazelwood from Magic Gel with a no wipe top coat on. And I'm going to use Latte B331 to do my first design. Now, if you don't think that this color is pigmented enough, you can double stamp. I didn't know that, but that was told to me. And I just thought the 1 layer was pigmented enough, so I didn't do 2 layers. But I was pleasantly surprised with how pigmented 1 layer was. So I usually struggle with doing any kind of plaid. Now I'm using S'more stamping polish here on a very fine image. and it stamped so well. And even using Shaka Santa for the red applied really nicely, and I was really surprised at how well that plaid turned out. I guess that would be more Burberry, wouldn't it? Being a Life of Luxury stamping plate. Okay, and this is what this design turned out. I absolutely love it. I just fell in love with the plate. Latte stamping polish worked so well. The plaid worked beyond my imagination. I didn't think it would work, and I was quite happy with how that turned out. And I think this is my favorite plate to date. There's even Gucci images on this stamping plate, but if I was to do every type of luxury stamping design, we'd be here for 30-40 minutes. Okay, let's recap this package I got in from Maniology. The Nordic Noel, that is such a fun plate. I'm sure you could do lots of fun Christmas designs using different colors you might have in your collection. The Ice Garden plate was also really imaginative, and if I took more time, I probably could have come up with some better designs. But the stamping polishes are very consistent. They are very pigmented. It doesn't matter if it's a cream, a metallic, a shimmer, a glitter. Oh, I haven't really stamped with a glitter, but I've stamped with a shimmery glitter. They all stamp so well and make stamping so much fun. And now that I've used the stamping polishes for about a year now, I want to say how well they are made. I have got a whole rack full of stamping polishes and they don't dry out. So you can let them sit for a few months if you're not using them, and they don't dry out. You can pick them up and use them just like they were brand new again. Now don't forget, if you purchase from Maniology, use my discount code Auralite10 and it will get you a discount off your purchase. This doesn't expire. You can use it as many times as you like. Save yourself some money, especially around the Christmas season, and get a little extra for yourself by using my code. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas season, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.